This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Laura C. Norrit. Highly upgraded 3-bed/2-bath 3RD bed used as a den with no closet. Beautiful open floor plan with loads of upgrades. Plantation shutters and crown molding throughout. Impact windows and doors. Gourmet kitchen features quartz counters with subway tile backsplash. Added coffee bar with wine cooler. Custom barn door. Upgraded lighting and custom fans. His and hers custom closets in MB. Enjoy the screened-in patio with retractable awning and lots of privacy. Live in this newer all-inclusive 55-plus resort with access to countless amenities and activities. 24/7 manned gated security. Minutes from downtown Delray and close to the turnpike. Fabulous clubhouse with 3 pools, spa, tennis, CAF and number 233, pickleball, fitness center and much more. A must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura C. Norrit at 954-369-0384.